Alright guys, just got back from selling the Mountaineer. I did purchase, I've been so busy, but I did purchase the that black Ford Expedition over there. It's a 04, and I did purchase this one right here. It's also an 04. One of them just got leather seats and everything, but I'll be sure to do a video with that, but I'll just let you guys know I sold the Mountaineer. I got it for what I sold it for $39.50, and I paid like $34.71, so it only made like $4.80. But I'll catch y'all later. Alright guys, just want to do this walk around real quick of the Ford Expedition, both of them. They nice and clean. Nice and clean on the inside. This one is the one that's fully loaded. It was actually a Pioneer radio in here, and I took it out and put that in here. Alright, nice and clean, leather seats, third row. It's automatic, and that one over there, the silver one, is not automatic. I'll make sure I lock this all the way. XLT. Let this up. Nice and clean. Things above just flew in the car. This one got 213,000 miles on it. The silver one got 185, but this one actually drives better. So this is the black one. Let me show y'all the silver one real quick. Clean. Show y'all the silver one. Like I say, this one is a little rough. I think it needs a hub bearing. I'm not gonna fix it though. Just gonna sell it just like it is. This is the silver one. The one with 185. Let me open this bad boy. This one got the cloth interior. Regular radio, didn't come with nothing special. This one's clean as well. It got a little, I didn't even see that stain on the seats. And but yeah, both of these came pretty clean. I didn't have to vacuum them or anything like that. Yeah, that's about it. Let me do another full walk around of this one. Full walk around. Like I said, the black one is way better. I got this one for 15 and the black one for $2,000. But that's pretty much it. How you doing? Alright, y'all have a good one before I get attacked.